how to cancel Facetune AI photo application subscription. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to give you a quick guide on how we can cancel the subscription of Facetune AI. So for that you need to follow some steps, but before following those steps I want you to make sure that you hit the like, share and subscribe option. So let's get started. Facetune app, if you have installed onto your device, and if you have bought or purchased any subscriptions from that app, and let's say you want to unsubscribe them, then what you need to do is go to your Play Store if you are on an Android phone. For that, just go to the home page of that Play Store. After going here on the top, you will be able to see your profile. Just tap on it, and under here you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option. What you need to do is tap on it, and there you will be able to see the subscriptions option. Under here, if you have subscribed on Facetune, then you will be able to see that application here. In order to unsubscribe, just tap on that application, and under there you will be able to see the cancel subscription option. Just tap on cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation, and thereby you will be able to unsubscribe from that particular app. So therefore, in this way you can unsubscribe from Facetune AI. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.